Bad planning can ruin even most of the beautiful home. Poor door placement, wasted corners, and awkward circulation often go unnoticed until it's too late. That is why a good architectural layout plan is not just important, it's essential. It sets the foundation for a well-designed home. But to get it right, you need to be clear about your requirements and work closely with architect from the very beginning. Hi, I'm Naseema Khatoon, an architect and interior designer. In today's video, I'll share 2 layout options and then I'm going to tell you which option was finalized and then a furniture layout for that option. So let's start. The plot size is 69 feet by 23 feet. It's 1500 square feet. The road is at the front and it is packed from 3 sides. The client's requirement was to have 3 bedrooms, 1 with attached toilet, 1 common washroom, 1 drawing dining area and 1 kitchen. They wanted their kitchen in the front. So I created 2 options keeping their client's requirements. So let's discuss that first. This is the option first. Now what are we having here? See, I shifted my staircase at the back so that I can have a ventilation from here. So this is my staircase. This is my entry. Because the client wanted to have kitchen at the entry, so I placed my kitchen like this. This is my bedroom. When I design, I try to keep my bedrooms ventilated. Natural light is very important. So this is my bedroom 1. This is my drawing dining hall and the ventilation of this area was done through this light well which had a glass ceiling from the top. Now this is another bedroom at the back. This is the bedroom 3. Now this is the attached toilet with the bedroom. This is the common toilet and it has its ventilation duct over here. So the area is properly ventilated, I can see. Let's see how we can place the furniture now. See, this is my kitchen. I can create my 24 inches platform over here and 12 inches. In a kitchen, even 12 inches platform matters. See, always give them a good storage because eventually your storage is going to make your space look clean. So keeping the distance of minimum 2 feet 10 inches or 2 feet 8 inches, I am creating a kitchen over here. So this could be my hob, this could be my refrigerator, this could be my sink. This is my bedroom and its furniture is going to be like this and this can be the TV unit. I can create wardrobe like this. So the window is going to be here and this is the door. This is how my front bedroom is going to be. The rear bedroom is going to be like this. This is my bedroom 2 and its wardrobe is here. This is the TV unit for the bed. This is the bedroom 3. The wardrobe is like this. This is the bed with side table. This is the TV unit and this is the attached toilet for the bedroom. I can create a seating over here for the dining area and this could be the dining table. 2 chairs or 3 chairs as per the requirement or as per the space. This could be the L-shaped sofa for the drawing area and with the center table and 2 poof. And this could be a good size TV unit and I can even create a storage for shoe cabinet. See, this could be a good wall for storage. See, I always give a feeling of a space once you enter. So in this case, I'm having my entry from here and this is my good drawing dining area which is going to give a feeling of space. This is my bedroom. Bedroom has proper ventilation from front and the rear bedrooms have proper ventilation from the rear side. A kitchen is also having proper platform. Always try to give a parallel kitchen. In this case, it was not possible to give them 24 inches. I tried to give them 12 inches. So 12 inches storage in a kitchen also matters a lot. So this was the option first that we created for the space. Let's see option 2 now. This is the option 2 that we created for the space. Now what are we having here? This is the staircase. Our 2 bedrooms are at the back. This bedroom is with attached toilet. This is another bedroom, its wardrobe, and this is the utility balcony connected with the bedroom. This is my 3rd bedroom and the ventilation is through this shaft. See, if it is possible, give them a good ventilation. Natural light is very important for a bedroom or for any livable space. Because it was packed from all 3 sides and we wanted to have 3 bedrooms, so I created a duct over here. I'm having my drawing area over here because the client wanted to have kitchen at the entry. So this is the kitchen and this is the dining area. But the plus of this layout is we are having a ventilation direct through the dining area. So we can have a good window over here and we can easily have a good ventilation from this dining area. We can easily place a furniture like this. This can be a side table. This can be the TV for this area. This can be the bed for another bedroom with TV. And this is the utility balcony. We can create a janitor over here. And also this can be a sofa wall and this could be the TV unit for the space. This is a kitchen at the entry. The client finalized option 2. So this is the furniture layout plan for that. Let's see how we created the space for them. Now, this is my staircase. This is my main entry. This is my kitchen at the entrance. This is the hob with the corner sink. I can have my tall unit or pantry unit over here. This is my dining area. For the drawing room, I'm keeping my sofa like this so that I can have inviting area once you enter. I can keep daybed or poof over here, but my intention is to keep low height so that there is no blockage once you enter. This is my TV unit area. I can have a storage over here like this. Now this is my puja. This is the bedroom at the entrance. The client wanted to have one powder room connected with this, and this was the storage for this bedroom. Now at the outside, the client wanted to have a separate wash basin, so we created a wash basin like this. This is my another bedroom with attached toilet and one wardrobe for it. This is my another bedroom with connected utility. This is the utility area, and this is the attached wardrobe. So this is how the space is looking like. Now in this option, the good thing is I'm having a good drawing dining area so that I can have a proper flow of space, and it is going to give a very good impact once you enter. If keeping kitchen in the front was not in the priority, I would have designed my space in such a way where I would have kept my kitchen at the back and my 2 bedrooms in the front with the staircase over here. But because the client wanted to have a kitchen in the front, so we created a space like this. That is all for today's video. See, I keep sharing these practical videos for you all, so consider subscribing and also give it a like if you like the video. And if you have any query, you can DM us through Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and you will see my next video soon. Bye.